Hey y'all, thanks for dropping by Design by Kathy. Today I want to show you how to do a fairly simple swipe, and we're just going to use a wet paper towel to do the swipe. So let's get right to it. I have a 11 by 14 canvas to do this little project on. I'm going to start by laying down a base of just a solid black background. So we're going to put this on. I have mixed my paint. I've got black and I have metallic rose gold, which I just love that love the rose gold. And then I have a red and a coral. So I'm going to spread this around here. I'm just lightly spreading this. I want it to still be a pretty thick coat on here. So I'm not doing it as if you would just be, straight painting a background. I'm just trying to help spread this rather than tilting or whatnot. I get my edges, hopefully. I think we have that pretty covered. I'm going to take my coral and my rose gold and red, and I'm going to just put them across the center. And last but not least, I'm going to just run a little stream of red down through the center here. So I've already got my paper towels and I've dampened them, squeezed them out. So what I want to do is I'm going to start here in the center. And we're just going to pull it over. Then I'm going to come back and catch the center again and swipe the opposite direction. I'm going to get the other side. And we'll do the same thing. Just catch the center and swipe forward all the way to the end. And then I'm going to catch the center one more time here and swipe down. Now I'm going to repeat this step one more time. Let's start in the center and pull across. And same thing, kind of center, but pretty much the center, and pull. And I'm just gently pulling it across. This is keeps you from putting too much weight. If you were to use a spatula, I've had some people say they really were afraid they would push down too hard. So this will certainly help you eliminate that. But let's pull across. And then we're going to catch the center and pull one more time down. I'm going to do just a little bit of tilting. Just up and down. I don't want to go sideways. We got a slight movement on that, which is pretty cool. But this is gonna look great like this. It would probably even work like that, but I kind of like this, you know, like cutting in the center. This would be great on a large piece, but for, you know, our video purposes, I'm using this small canvas. I think that's pretty cool. I like how we've got the little center. That's what I wanted to do is just swipe from the center and just have this little definition across here just to give it some depth and the look of texture. But I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank you for your shares and your likes and comments, and look forward to seeing you next time and hearing from you. And hey, if you're new to the channel, I hope that you will subscribe as well. You all have a wonderful day.